Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken shortcuts in Windows 11. Whether your icons have turned into a black and white page, or the links just give you an error message. So I will show you exactly how to fix all of those. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the fastest way to fix a broken app shortcut is to completely replace it using the Start menu. So let me explain. First, identify the broken shortcut on your desktop. Then just right-click on it and simply click on the trash icon to delete it. Now just press the Windows key on your keyboard to open your Start menu. Then click on All Apps, and once you do that, it'll show you the full list of applications. Now scroll down the list of applications until you find the app that was broken, and once you find that, just simply click and hold on the application in the list and drag it out of the menu and drop it onto the desktop. And this will instantly create a brand new, fully updated shortcut that is generated to point to the right location. And now, if the shortcut is for a specific folder or file and not an application, we need to check if the destination is moved or not. So what you do is just simply right-click on that broken shortcut, then click on Properties, and then over here, just simply click on the option that says Open File Location. Now, if Windows opens a folder and highlights a file, your shortcut is still working. It might just be a glitch, so click on the X option and close the File Explorer. And if Windows gives you an error saying the file is missing, then the original file was deleted or moved. You will need to search for that file in your File Explorer and then create a new link from that. And now if your shortcuts work, but they look like blank white pieces of paper, that means your icon cache is corrupted, and we need to fix that with a simple command. So just simply click on your Start button, then type cmd, and then run this as an administrator by clicking on this option. Now I'm going to give you a specific command to type. It'll reset your desktop icon database. You can find the commands in the description box below, so type exactly what you find over there. Type ie4unit.exe --show, and then simply hit Enter. So it won't look like much happened, but it forces Windows to refresh all the icons. Now just simply copy the next command. Paste taskkill /im explorer.exe/f and paste it right over here and then hit Enter. Now your taskbar and Windows wallpaper will disappear, so don't panic. And finally, paste the last command. Paste start explorer.exe and then just simply hit Enter. Now your desktop will reappear and all your icons should be fixed and showing their correct images. That's it. Now your desktop should be clean and functional again. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.